G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. We're down here at Kanangra Walls waterfall, having a swim, living the adventure life, baby. Woo! See the colour of the water down there? Welcome to the Adventure Life Tours with Coco. This is a guided tour. Australia, mate, the best country on earth. Not bad, mate, not bad at all. 1600. Take it away, Sword. Imagine it's still okay. Smashed it. No copyright, YouTube. Aussie. That sun is no joke, kids. That guy. Guys have butterflies chasing you. Look, legit. It's legit following you. Oh, hey, gorgeous.
Hey.
I got you. There's definitely a naked dude in the bush somewhere. It's awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Boom! Ready? away at first, eh? Yeah. I was like, hold on. Had to do it in the budgie. Talk about the adventure life. Okay, it's not me, good. Oh, this is an old school cooker.
Yeah, it's my parents.
That's sick.
Oh,
They're the best. Pretty.
Uh-oh. Oh, hey.
Oh, he's killing it, ladies and gents.
He's got it. Not his first rodeo.
Ready? He's gonna fail one. He's got to fail one. Oh,
Foul
the
the
first
girls.
one.
Foul the girls one.
Look at this. Thank you, Mr. Swarbrick, for the old school camp oven. Camp barbie.
Bush special.
That's it, mate. And look at that. Oh, we're sorted.
Show your home one.
You should show your viewers Karen's axe murdering photo.
Just like one of the portraits.
We found some dude's phone. We're not going to steal it, buddy. We're going to wait till someone rings and we'll get it back to you. But first, we're going to take some selfies with it.
They'll come back for sure. They'll realise they've forgotten it and this will be like the only place.
That's alright, thanks
The
Ed.
owner. All good, bro.
The Pearson left it there.
Yeah, we're hoping you'd come back.
Yeah, we drove all the way back. I was like, fucking fine.
Yeah, at least you knew where you left it, dude.
I was like, that's where I left it.
Legend.
Thanks, guys.
See you guys.
Bada bing,
How we do it?
bada boom.
Bellissimo. Come on, I want to see the bite.
It's hot on the fucking bottom. Oh, I can't even hold it.
I need to see the carbs too.
You need to feel. You know,
How is it? Oh, we've got to see the bite.
Oh, it's so good.
You haven't had a bite yet. Come on. It's got to be a big dog too. Yummy. Yummy? Oh, you're nearly done.
that's my one. I did it so I knew which one was mine.
Dog in. Trees under it. Oh. Oh, what a sitter. What is two? Hey. Go long. That's the one, get under it. Watch the fence! Oh. Yes! You really shot it now. Ah, don't clap!
Poor Yudi.
We never do, so
when you're doing it by hand.
Come this way and just things the other.
Come on, hey! There's heaps laying just here. Hey!
Are these wallabies or kangaroos?
They're only small. No, they're roos. They're not scared, they're just chilling.